Hello everybody, Dakota with Top Tier Outdoor Services. Got a quick little cleanup job. Gonna be going through thinning a bunch of this out, raising up the trees that are getting kept, you know, 6-8 foot. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. She is going to be having a fence put on the other side of her property line, so that's kind of the purpose of cleaning that, but she wanted it thinned out anyways. We'll be going up to this opening, which is quite a mess. But yeah, I'll put you on a time lapse and let's see what's going on. Kind of go from there. Welcome back everybody, Dakota, Top Tier Outdoor Services. Quick update. Me and Neil have been going through, trimming these up, and so far we got the back section pretty well done. We're going to take out a couple of the smaller pines in the center there, kind of open it up, let those grow a little better. There's a few small birches over there that we got to take out. A mountain of brush. She wants to keep all of the birch logs, so those will be going in the back. Like I said, we still got that pile of brush there, a little bit through here, and then we started cutting out the cluster of birch here. We got those down. You'll see that in the time lapse. Yeah, we got this cluster out, a single one there, a pine, a random pine fell with it. This here shouldn't take too long to trim these up. They're not terrible. I mean, they're dense because they're pines. They always have a lot of limbs. But other than that, this won't be too bad. And then we're gonna have to start hauling brush because where we gotta take it closes in about 3 hours, and we're gonna have at least 2 loads going there. My buddy wants a load because he likes burning it, so we're gonna drop the last load off at his house more than likely, unless we end up getting a little more than we expected once we start loading. But as far as that, it's not too terrible. Mountains of poison ivy that we've had to work through. I don't know if you can see it. So that's made it adventurous, to say the least. Luckily, I know what it is. I know I've walked through it. So when I get home, my pants will just come right off and be washed. Luckily, I've worked with it enough to know what it is and let Neil know, so that way he didn't end up getting it. Other than that, that's just kind of a quick update for now. I'll probably switch back over to a time lapse, let you watch us load the trailer up and get a load out of here quick, and we'll go from there. Welcome back, everybody. Just got back from dumping the second trailer load. There will be a time lapse of that you can see. I'm gonna set you up. We're gonna clean this up, load the brush, and then we got a few trees to cut down, small pines, and then we'll be out of here for this one. Welcome back, everybody. Dakota with Top Tier Outdoor Services. Last final update about this job. Quick little walkthrough. Those birches over there that we took out are gone. These were here. Like I said, these weren't my responsibility. We did cut them out for her so she could at least move them. Stump's taken down. I didn't want to go all the way because it's rotten, and I don't like running my saw through this because this has a lot of dirt in it. This will be the fence line in a couple weeks, so all of this is trimmed up above head. We actually wanted to end up taking out a few more trees, but with the neighbor's trailer here, that's kind of difficult because they're right here. I don't know how well you can see them, so we weren't able to do anything with them ones. And then these ones, she would have liked to have had this taken out, but unfortunately it's on their property line, and the whole point of this is neighborly disputes, I guess you would say. So yeah, all the trees are gone. All the trees are trimmed up. Well, the undergrowth, I should say, not all the trees. Other than that, like I said, this is previous stuff, not our responsibility. I think she said she wants to try to slowly start picking this stuff up. This is from the power company. About 3 weeks ago, they actually ended up coming through. As you can see, the power lines there, and I ended up taking out about 30 of her pine trees. They were actually gonna do, there was 2 or 3 rows of them. I think they were gonna do the front row. We're gonna be going, and the back 2 rows were supposed to be trimmed, but she asked them if they would just take them out since they were already there. So it was easier for them to just take them out and run them straight through the chipper. Other than that, we got a little bit of stuff to pick up here. Boots, shovel rake, a little bit of tools. Yeah, that's how it looks. This is the 3rd trailer, by the way. This is actually about 2 trailers worth of stuff that we managed to pack into it, plus the truck. But all right, Dakota here with Top Tier Outdoor Services LLC. I'll see you on the next one.